Alright guys, if you're struggling with the importing object in Plasticity, there's some tricky ways to do this. Some guys do it through Moi 3D, through FreeCAD, converting into step format. And what I found is just this site, grabcad.com. You register on it, that's it. I found this guy, Macrumblet, yep, who incredible artist with a lot of interesting works, interesting objects. And yeah, you can download it straight away and import it into project just with this import append button, and you can do with this whatever you want. So just like, you know, let's grab a look. Something like this. 4, select object. Now that's some alien thingy. And how to do some stuff with this object. How to do shell, for example. Shift B. You watch this side, because we need to draw on this surface, on this axis surface. 3, select face, space. Why I don't have my screencast? Keys. Now you're able to draw anything you want. For example, these. Shift A. It's gonna be a huge helmet for the big-headed guy. 2 on your keyboard. Shift select, J to join. It's one object now. Extrude, hold tab, right click to confirm, patch it. 2 to delete. 4 select object, G to grab it on this axis for now. For example, 1, G, move it away for now. Right click to confirm for GG, hold control, something like this, yeah. Now 7, something like this. 4, select these. C to cut, select curve, right click to confirm, X to delete. And we got the big headband here. Gonna be our Robocop thingy. 3, whoop, shwibbity boop. There's a polyfjord thing. So yeah. And if you don't know, now you know. We go 3, extrude, F2 freestyle, and yeah, that's our beautiful creature guy. Now 1, 3, select these. 1, now choose these, select object, alt X, click this face, merge us together. Easy now. You got it symmetrical. And yeah, just enjoy yourself. Yeah, easy now.